Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all probably like, girl, what you doing? Let me tell you. I did a tutorial the other day about a crochet bop hack. This time around, we are using long, I think, boho braids. We're gonna do that, but I wanted to explain something because you know, tutorials, you got your music, you got your rain, all the things, but I gotta say something to y'all. This right here is very important, okay? Do you remember when I did the Good Cuz Mara's hack and I told you to add a bridge way to it, and I was telling y'all about that transition braid or the bridge braid? That's this right here. I also want to tell you this. You don't have to do 3 rows, 3 boxes going back. As a matter of fact, 2 probably is better. So you don't have as much space in the back, okay? Now, I have an undercut, so I'm going to have space in the back, y'all. If y'all see my styles and they look a little floppy in the back, that's just because it's holding on to God's promises, so it's not going to go anywhere. But that's all that's back there for it to grip, okay? That's it, that's all. It's a right and a wrong way to do things. So do that, okay? Maybe do 2 rows and then the bridge braid, okay? Now, the purpose of the bridge braid is to bridge the gap. We're not talking Aflac. We are bridging the gap between our illusion crochet and what's going on back here, because you know, you got your little headband piece, all of the things. So all the pieces that you put across this bridge braid, you're gonna swap those back. It's gonna cover up any sort of indiscretion that's going on over there, okay? And if anybody is that close up to your bridge braid, they too close.
You do not have my permission to be in my bridge braid space, okay? Back on up.
So I just wanted to give y'all those notes on why we gonna transition it, huh? Which cat is that? Y'all know. That's why this is of the utmost importance, okay? Now you can get by without it, but we not just trying to get by, we trying to stay fly, okay? And y'all know when it comes to this over here, these crochet braids, we not playing with you. Sometimes it may be 3, 4 illusions in one style. You'll never know. And then if you want to, when you get sick of it, if you like your little design in the front, you could just put the wig on. You don't have to have any pieces put in here. You might like that style. I don't know. Listen, our subscriber count is growing. New cousins. Hey, cousin. Hey. Y'all better be hitting that subscribe button. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit it. Join the family and join the fun. You can be a cousin too. If not, you a friend of the family. And we appreciate y'all so much. Member cousins, how the heck are you? We got some movie reviews to get a hold of. We're not going to talk about it over here though, honey. We can't say everything. It's children over here. Now let's get to this styling and profiling. Hold a minute.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Hate that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time.
Okay,
Yeah,
y'all.
I'ma make you-
Okay, y'all probably like, girl, what you doing? Let me tell you. So I decided to do something real quick. I just showed y'all the hack, right? But then I was like, I'm gonna show you how easy this is. Once you do this front part, there are so many things you can do in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and do cousin Mara's hack in the back with the rest of these. Cause listen, I'm gonna tell you something. If you do this, what I just showed you, get the longer, get the 24 inch. These are 18 inches. And the half wig that I chose is just longer. So get the 24 inches. If you're gonna use this half wig, you can use whatever half wig you want to. That's just one of the ones that I found on Amazon, okay? But you don't have to use that one. This hair is so nice and it's so pretty and it's so soft. I want this to be a full crochet style now. So I took the half wig off. Now that I've showed you how to do it, right? Now I'm gonna put in Mara's back with the what? Bridge braid. Come on now. And I'm finna do Mara's hack, okay? Okay, hold a minute.
I take my chance.